Hi, I'm Mark King, investment editor at Columbia Threadneedle Investments, and here's what's in my weekly column. Inflation in the UK rose to 2.9% in May, according to the Office for National Statistics, its highest level for 4 years. The increase on April's Consumer Prices Index, or CPI, rate of 2.7% means that inflation continues to run some way ahead of the Bank of England's official 2% target, and it's rising steeply. The ONS said that increases in the price of package holidays and computer games were the main contributor to the increase. But inflation has been on the rise since October 2015, although it only started rocketing more steeply following the UK's decision to leave the European Union in June 2016. The value of the pound has fallen since the Brexit vote, which has made imported goods from abroad more expensive, though the rising price of oil has also been a factor in raising prices in recent months. So what does inflation mean for us? Well, inflation is particularly bad news for consumers and savers at this point in time. With wage growth currently stuck at just 2.4%, in real terms, people are now becoming worse off, with the value of their salaries being eroded by the cost of living. And similarly, for savers, the news is equally bad, with none of the 750 standard savings accounts on the market paying a rate that can beat inflation. This means savers' cash is also being ravaged by the cost of living. Lower real returns on deposits certainly makes the stock market a relatively more attractive home for your spare cash, but it remains to be seen how rising inflation will affect the performance and the profitability of companies in the UK. Also this week, markets have been reacting to the UK general election, which resulted in a hung parliament and left the Conservatives looking to form an alliance with Northern Ireland's Democratic Unionist Party, or DUP, in order to stay in government. This has resulted in the pound falling in value as investors react to the increasingly uncertain political environment. Companies in the FTSE 100 index of leading businesses have performed well as they earn a significant chunk of their revenues from overseas. But the future remains uncertain, with Brexit negotiations due to begin next week. The future for the UK economy is no clearer. See you next week.